Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm from the Rosy Posy based out of Manassas, Virginia, currently working from home. I'm going to show you today how to make a flower crown using some bits and pieces that I foraged from my garden, along with a necessity flower tape, wire, and my basic floral shears. I am using Italian ruscas. I have the hellebore that I cut from my garden. I have cream lisianthus, parvifolia, eucalyptus, white wax flower, freesia, plumosa, and white tweedia. We're going to start off using our wire, and I like to make a hook and eye version of the flower crown. I'm going to tape up. We want no wire showing. We don't want nobody poked in the back of the head. And then I'm going to create the eye. And on the other end will be the hook. As we go, we are just going to keep pulling little bits of greenery. I chose the Italian ruscas because I really want to hide the hook and eye when we come to put it together. We just tape and roll as we go. I like to use all of the buds because I love to have that texture in there. This is definitely a process. The end result is always so pretty. I cut the single leaves off the silver dollar. I kind of like the way the gray mixes in against that hellebore. Twisting the tape over the stems of the flowers to hold them in place. Basically, we're going to make about 20 inches worth of this. Now I'm going to get ready to create the return end, the hook that's going to go through the little eye that I showed you. There we go.